No matter how hard you grill a chicken, it just won't tell you why it crossed the road. Maybe it was to line up behind all the blonde dolls standing on the sidewalk in the Barbie queue. We'll never know. This week's product won't warm your heart, but it will fire you up. Have any idea yet? It's the Grillblazer GrillGun. You know how the old saying goes, where there's smoke, there's fire. But the opposite is also true. So unless you have something to get that charcoal under your grill blazing hot, no ribs or steaks for you, my friend. The Grillblazer GrillGun may look like overkill, but any meat man worth their salt will tell you that getting the beast lit before a cook is a pain in the backside. This high-powered handheld propane torch is designed to do one thing really well: light on fire. It's pretty straightforward to use. Just hook it up to either a 1-pound butane canister or a 20-pound propane tank. Turn on the gas and pull the trigger. Boom! Instant flamethrower. There really isn't much else to it. So, what do we like about the Grillblazer GrillGun? So, first up, it lights up a barbecue like a champ. No more waiting for coals to develop. We just make them in 2 minutes flat. Secondly, it's not a one-trick pony. It's a trifecta pony plus. The Grillblazer GrillGun is also great for starting your fire pit, searing your steak, toasting marshmallows, and our favorite, creme brulee. I mean, what's creme brulee without the brulee, right? Now, you technically can make creme brulee without a torch. We don't recommend it, though. It doesn't feel cheap, and easily 90% of the components are metal and not flimsy plastic, which means it will last. At the same time, it also doesn't feel heavy or unwieldy. When we say it gets hot, like 400,000 BTUs of real hot. Then there's the cool factor. Your buddies will be instantly impressed when you whip out this bad boy on a Sunday afternoon barbecue. What's the downside? So it's a little on the expensive side, taking it out of the novelty price range and into the realm of a luxury item. Splitting hairs here, but there's also the appearance. It looks exactly like a pistol with an extended barrel, which may put some people off. So, what's the verdict? To say that the Grillblazer GrillGun is cool is an understatement. It works exactly as advertised, and we love ours, and are actually planning more fires and barbecues with family and friends, just so we can whip this thing out and wow them. We give it a rating of 5 out of 5 stars. Though a little expensive, we think it's a small price to pay for the cool factor alone. And that's before we even turn it on. If you want mad bragging rights and not having to wait for the barbecue to get hot enough, then do yourself a favor and grab one of these Grillblazer GrillGuns. And the Grillblazer GrillGun could be yours. We'll be giving it away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win this amazing product, the rules are very simple. Just make sure you're subscribed to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment in this video with the hidden hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you were paying attention, but just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. We'll then select someone at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck! If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.